Oh, shalom. We're gonna unbox some tie-dye colors I ordered from Dharma Trading Company. Dharma Trading Company. This is a colored tie-dye for color fabric. Wow, look, so I got bright green. These are professional dyes for like dyeing tie-dye. You could do batiking, you could do all different things. And what I'm gonna do is experiment. So I love doing fabric art and textile stuff like that. So, and with colors. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is the detergent, and that's important because you want to make sure that you wash it out professionally. And look at all the different colors. I got watermelon, better black, dynamite. I got nightshade, khaki. I wanted to go with earth tones, but then have some accent colors. Here is coral pink. My theme is beach and amethyst. I also got some soda ash fixer, which helps the fabric absorb the dye, and it makes it last longer with all the washes that you do. And then I also got, what's this? Citrus yellow. I got a lot of yellow. So this is exciting, guys. I can't wait to start making some art textiles. Mermaid Dream, I got. Mermaid Dream, watermelon, better black, khaki, nightshade. Okay, let's see what these ones are. So I got bright green, sage green, Brazil nut, which is a brown. So I was like thinking doing like a beach. So you have your sand and you have your water and all the different shades of blue for the sky and stuff. Chartreuse I got, midnight blue, golden brown. So these are all the colors I got to start making stuff. That's a little starter pack for you from Dharma, and I'm very excited. Okay, guys, just want you to know about Dharma. They have the best professional colors, the best professional dyes that everybody uses. It's Dharma Trading Company, fiber art supplies and clothing blanks since 1969. I went on their website and I saw this. They're having a sale on, like, they sell just plain white clothes for you to, like, clothing blanks for you to do whatever art, tie-dye or batiking on. They also have silk dyes for silk, dyes for polyester, the whole bunch of kits that you could buy. And the good thing about these colors is they actually last, and it's not like you're going to Walmart and buying the cheap one. These are gonna have some really vibrant, long-lasting colors. So yeah, I'm excited. You guys have a good day, and I hope you check out Dharma Trading Company. If you're an artsy fartsy crafty person, tie-dye is something that you could do, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You make little mistakes, but you know, and still have some sort of like a fruitful outcome, right? If you have clothes that you want to give them a new life. There's stains on some clothes. I've been experimenting on reverse tie-dye, where you get your black, you bleach it, you tie it, and then you bleach the spots, and then you rinse it out. And so I have a dress that I wanted to finish up with after, because now I've done a nice pattern of a spiral twist of the bleaching reverse dye, because it's a black cotton dress. So I wanted to add some color into those areas. Anyways, maybe I'll show you, and maybe I'll show you the other creations that I'm gonna make. I'm thinking of doing bandanas and making different tie-dye bandanas with little mandalas on them, or little circle patterns, stuff like that. I'm gonna try to do a fish on one of them because well, I live by the ocean and we love fish. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye.